Good morning, students of class 12. Well, today I am going to do some conversions in aromatic chemistry. Convert phenol into salicylaldehyde, benzene, picric acid, benzoic acid, aspirin, salicylic acid. Let's begin. This is phenol. Chloroform, NaOH, 343 Kelvin. This is actually Reamer Diamond reaction. Next, we will do what? Acid hydrolysis. So this is what we call salicylaldehyde. Next we have convert phenol into benzene. So phenol, it's a very simple process, conversion of phenol to benzene. What you will get? You will get benzene. Next, we will convert phenol into picric acid. Picric acid, students, let me tell you, picric acid is also known as 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is phenol. H2SO4 has to be concentrated. So this is what we call picric acid. Its IUPAC name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Next, benzoic acid. This is phenol. Let's convert it into benzene first. benzoic acid. Next, we will convert phenol into aspirin. So we will treat it with NaOH first. It is called sodium phenate. Next, CO2 400 Kelvin 427 atm. This is called salicylic acid. Next, what you will do, acetic anhydride, concentrated H2SO4. So what you will get, you will get aspirin. Now children, the last conversion, phenol into salicylic acid, I have already shown you the formation of salicylic acid. So what you need to do for the last step, you don't have to show this step for the last conversion. Salicylic acid, phenol treated with NaOH will give you sodium phenate. Sodium phenate, when treated with carbon dioxide at 400 Kelvin at a pressure of about 4 to 7 atm, it will form salicylic acid. Okay students, now I will teach you how to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So the most common test that we are going to use to help us distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is Lucas test. Now what we do in this test, I have written it. Please pay attention. In this test, an alcohol is treated with an equimolar mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride, also called Lucas reagent. The alcohols get converted into alkyl halides. Since the alkyl halides are insoluble in water, their formation is indicated by the presence of turbidity in the reaction mixture. Since the order of reactivity of alcohols with halogen acids is of the order 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1 degree, the time required for the appearance of turbidity will be different in different alcohol. Please write it down. If turbidity appears immediately, the alcohol is of course tertiary. If turbidity appears within 5 minutes, the alcohol is secondary. If turbidity appears only upon heating, the alcohol may be primary. Thank you students.